Hi, Zach. Thanks for joining us. Tell us a bit about yourself and give us a brief overview of your company.
Yeah, well, thanks for having us. I'm Zachariah Moreno, the co-founder and CEO of Squadcast.fm, and we help professional podcasters and content creators record quality content from anywhere in the world.
Hey Zach, so tell us what got you excited about Dolby.io, and in particular, what were you trying to achieve with the APIs?
Well, it's an incredible opportunity to enhance the quality of the audio that we're helping creatives record on Squadcast in a number of different ways, both with the interactivity API, like we're experiencing right now in this session on Squadcast, improving the audio quality there for our customers and their guests, as well as after you're done recording on Squadcast, we create those files in very high quality, but you can enhance them even further using the media processing APIs to do things like background noise reduction, desibilance, and loudness normalization, to all in service of saving time and maximizing creative possibilities in post-production.
Yeah, so I'm interested to understand what were your customers' pain points. Can you tell me about that?
Absolutely. So, unfortunately, the podcast community has had a lot of pain points when it comes to recording a remote conversation, and we feel like we've moved the needle pretty far with that by making it, extremely reliable and really always letting them know that they're going to capture the highest sound quality possible, so that they can just focus on having a great conversation. But the opportunity with Dolby was just a way to, as Zach has said before, enhance that experience for them. Bringing it, as we call it, closer to reality. That we would never deny that having an interview in person does have its benefits, but, it's not always an option. So we want to be that option that provides the best experience when it is a remote conversation.
So once you started working with Dolby.io, how long did it take you to implement our APIs? And I know that you have a great user interface and, you wanted to keep control of that. So very interested to understand, how long did it take you to implement our APIs?
Well, thank you for the compliment. It's deeply meaningful to us, and we care about design, so we chose to use kind of the lower level SDK and REST APIs for both the media processing with the enhancements after you're finished recording, as well as the interactivity API during the studio experience that we're in now. So we started with a kind of analysis over the Christmas break, a matter of days to build up confidence and get that into our code base. And then the Enhance API was even faster than that. It was a matter of hours, I would say maybe 1 day total, until we're getting those awesome Dolby enhanced files back.
Rock, how do you think these new features are going to help your customers' workflow?
One of the challenges that a lot of podcasters face is there's a lot of disaggregation between the different services, and it impacts their workflow. So, they may record their remote interviews on Squadcast, which is awesome. But then after, if there is some sort of post-production process or some type of editing process, they have to go to different apps to do that. So adding something like Dolby Enhance actually allows them to keep their workflow under the Squadcast umbrella. It eliminates a few other steps. So, and it's something that so many customers have been asking us for because, they want that premium quality sound. So now to let them know that, hey, it's got the Dolby stamp on it in addition to the Squadcast stamp, we think folks are going to be really proud of the content that they're creating and that the listeners are going to love it. So, that'll make us happy.
Tell me what your experience was like working with Dolby.io.
Yeah, so from a customer experience perspective, it's been absolutely wonderful. I mean, every step of the way, Dolby has been, extremely excited and listening to our ideas and what we've done in podcasting, and really shown that a really high level of interest, which I think speaks to, Dolby's mindset as a company, that even though you're this well-established, well-known, big company, that, you're still looking to innovate and make things better for your customers.
The full experience of the documentation, the conversations with Dolby engineers around the fine-tuning of implementation, all of those things were very tight feedback loops and a high degree of clarity. Our customers are benefiting from it in a number of ways. Their guests that they're collaborating with are benefiting in a number of ways, as well as the listener experience. This is really a full picture of improving the experience on Squadcast, and we're incredibly grateful for that opportunity.